Lenovo 11.6 inches HD IPS touchscreen 2-in-1 Chromebook. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. I wanted to wait a while before reviewing this product as I feel it's not proper to review within a day of having it. I bought this after my laptop died and I wanted something I'd get quickly and also something cheaper than a laptop. Obviously a Chromebook is not meant to be a laptop replacement. This does not support gaming like Steam or anything hardcore. It doesn't support the usual apps you're used to such as iTunes, but there are ways to get around it if you search up in the Chrome store. I'm an online editor and this is still powerful enough to handle that. The touchscreen works just fine. I love it and the Chromebook is very sturdy. When flipping the screen I have no worries about it snapping or anything. It's a good Chromebook for the price. You obviously make some sacrifices of what it can handle to a laptop. Microsoft Office still works just fine. It can handle the basics and things like Netflix, Hulu, etc. You can have more than one tab open and it not be slow. I think it was a good swap for me compared to purchasing a pricey laptop. Chromebooks aren't for everyone, but I do enjoy this one. Awesome considering it's Chrome. That aside, scrolling is very smooth, great pixels in the display. I'm recommending it so much we are purchasing a second unit for my GF. She decided after messing with mine to trade in her laptop. That came as a surprise to me. Oh, and I've actually found a Styli ST for this Chromebook after contacting Lenovo. The Lenovo Active Pen was recommended to me. I hope this helps anyone reading this review and looking for a stylus to go along with new Lenovo. Pretty neat. You can flip the keyboard behind and turn it into a tablet. Boot up and shut down is super fast. Most apps will work from the Google Play Store, which comes installed. Updates to the Chromebook itself is done through Chrome browser. There are 3 update channels you can choose: Official, Beta, and Dev. I currently have my Chromebook set on Dev update channel and no issues whatsoever. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.